Hello everybody and welcome to Cam and the Fam, and today I am preparing dinner for my family. I don't really know what size I want to go with these pork chops. So today I'm making pork chops, mustard fried pork chops. I don't know if I want to make the mashed potatoes, smothered potatoes, or corn, or mac and cheese. I have no idea what I'm going to make, so I figured that out once I fry these pork chops. So what you'll need, your favorite seasoning, whatever you decide to use, whether it's seasoned salt, garlic salt, whatever you use, you season your pork chops the way you want to. Okay, so these are the ingredients that I use my way: mustard, hot sauce, Cajun seasoning, garlic powder, and black pepper. And you need flour. So we're going to season these pork chops and let's get this meal going. So I'm using my Cajun seasoning. Okay. Okay, that should be enough for that side. I'm using my black pepper. And Cajun season also have black pepper in it, but I just like to use black pepper anyway. So let's make sure we have this pepper evenly over these pork chops. And now we're using our garlic powder. Very simple recipe, very simple recipe. So we're going to flip these pork chops over. And we're going to start again with the garlic powder. Black pepper. Ooh. Turn my grease up a little bit. And now we're going to add our Cajun seasoning. Okay. So anybody that has ever made hot wings, you know that hot sauce brings out the flavor in hot wings, right? So we're going to put this hot sauce on our pork chops. Okay, we're going to move this out the way because we're still trying to figure out whether or not we're going to make those roasted garlic potatoes or if we're going to make macaroni and cheese, corn. I don't know.
I like roasted garlic.
Okay, Key likes roasted garlic. Okay, so we're going to take our mustard. I don't like the little mustard juice that come out first, but we're going to take our mustard. And the reason why I don't put it on both sides is because this is what I do. See how that's coming off of there? And then we're going to wipe this one on top of that one. So these two, they're friends now. They're buddies. They're homies. So we let those sit. And then we lay this one on top of this one. And guess what? Guess what happens to that one? I'm going to turn this one over. And now they're homies. They're buddies. They're friends. And this one just He's just by himself. So we're gonna mix this up. Yeah, he is all alone. And you just make sure that you get it all mixed in together. And if you want to add more hot sauce, you can. Because I tell you, your family is going to absolutely love this. And my family like tang, so you know how that is. So, mixing this up. My grease is telling me, come on, cinnamon. So we mixing this up. And normally, what I would do, move this out the way, I need more space. So let me move this hot sauce out of the way. And guys, I'm gonna rinse my hands off. He has never seen me make my pork chops. She's always just came home and just taste them. So now she get a chance to see the process of everything.
This is interesting. But I'm learning a lot.
And that's what you want to do. And don't forget, I touched all of these bottles. So once I get these pork chops in this grease, we're gonna have to wipe these bottles off. Okay? My grease is popping. Dry my hands off. Because I don't want to be popped.
You know?
No.
I thought it gave you a rush.
No. Camera lady, stop being smart. Okay. So I'm going to test my grease.
Oh,
and
should
see
I
if
show
it's
it?
ready. You want to show the grease? Sure, you can show the grease. Okay guys, this is for our beginner cooks. In case you don't know if the grease is hot enough, you just take a little bit of flour. And it just lets you know this grease is ready. So we're going to come back over to the counter, or do you want me to just batter them? No, bring them over here because they need to learn how to cook this. Okay, so we're going to batter these pork chops. I can move that down for you. We're going to batter these pork chops. And if you want to meet me at the stove, I'm going to batter as I go. Okay? Okay, so this is going to be my first pork chop. He don't want to go in there. You seen him?
Yeah.
He bent back. He was like, no, not the hot grease, cinnamon. And these are not really thick. Now this is what you call deep frying some pork chops. Here's my second pork chop. Yeah. And we're just going to put one more in. Put one more in. I tell you, your family, they gonna love you. Yeah. So when it's time to flip these pork chops over, I'll bring you guys back. So guys, as you can see, When you use the mustard and the hot sauce, it actually gives it a really, really good crisp. So you'll know your meat is done once it starts floating. Looking good, aren't it?
Oh yeah, and it smells really good.
And that's what you could do too. See how evenly it's fried? So guys, you're gonna flip these pork chops over. So these are gonna need a little more time, and I'll bring you guys back when I get ready to take them out. Okay, you guys, as you can see, my pork chops are golden brown. Look at that. I'm gonna get my tongue for this because I don't want no grease to splash on Kiara.
Hey, it's cute. I'm the camera woman today.
Yes, my beautiful camera woman.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. Make sure they're dry, because I don't want you to get popped. Okay. And that's one thing. We put some water there, so. Okay. So we're gonna take this pork chop out. Crispy and golden brown. See all that crust on there?
Yeah.
Look at it. Look at that. Okay. So we're gonna put the other two in here. Let me move these out the way. So Cam and Pops will have 2 pork chops and Kia have 1. Okay. And here is my last pork chop. So we'll bring you guys back when it's time to take these pork chops out. Okay guys, so I'm gonna flip these over. See how golden they are? So we're gonna let these cook on this side and I'll bring you guys back. Okay guys, I'm getting ready to turn my pan off because these pork chops are ready. That's crispy over here. Okay, so you guys, I'm getting ready to make some smothered potatoes, fried potatoes. So we're gonna add the potatoes. I have a very spoiled husband. He is spoiled rotten. He's not getting bell peppers in here. He's just getting plain white onions. And we're gonna pour the onions in here.
How much is that? Like a cup?
Probably half a cup. I don't really know about onions. This is very small onion. And we're going to add our black pepper. A little Cajun seasoning. And we're going to add some Lipton onion mix. And we're just adding some dry parsley. And we're going to let these potatoes fry. And we'll bring you guys back once I plate this meal. Well guys, as you can see, my smothered potatoes and my delicious crispy pork chops are ready. But I tell you, you got to try my recipe. Your family is going to do, they're going to love it. So you guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day, and I will see you guys in the next video. But wait a minute, before I go, have you gotten your Epic Empire tickets yet? I don't know what you're waiting on. I really don't know what you're waiting on. Guys, please get your tickets. The Epic Empire meet and greet is July 18th. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and check out my family channels. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.